Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Dyson so there's no current. Next, hold the vacuum upright and support the weight. This prevents the charger or vacuum from snapping free. Locate the release latch or small button on the docking base. It's usually near the hinge or underside. Press and hold that latch firmly while keeping steady upward pressure on the charger. You do this because the latch disengages the clip mechanism. Once released, the charger can slide free without bending contacts or breaking plastic. Once the latch is held, apply a steady upward and slightly outward motion to slide the charger away from the dock. You're undoing the same clip path used to attach it. Make sure you do not twist the unit, because twisting can shear the plastic tabs or misalign electrical contacts. If movement stops, inspect for a hidden secondary clip or a small retaining screw and release it. You do this slowly so you can see where resistance comes from and avoid damaging tabs or wiring. With the charger free, inspect the charging contacts and mounting tabs for debris or damage. Cleaning with a dry brush helps ensure a good connection later. To finish, reseat the charger briefly to confirm alignment and listen for a secure click that indicates proper engagement. If the charger won't come free, don't force it. Apply a tiny amount of silicone spray to plastic joints or remove nearby screws and try again. If that fails, contact support to avoid breaking tabs. This prevents costly repairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.